it comes to optimizing kitchen space and ensuring efficient drying of dishes, the Dish Rack 2-level countertop drying rack by Zarch is a standout solution. Measuring at 16.53 inches deep, 11.81 inches wide, and 13 inches high, this sleek black rack offers not only a functional design but also a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. With a total weight of 4.98 pounds, the Dish Rack 2-level provides a stable and durable platform for all your kitchen essentials. Its two-tier structure significantly increases drying capacity while maintaining a compact footprint on your countertop. This innovative design enables you to neatly organize various utensils and kitchen items, making it an ideal utensil holder for daily use. The countertop mount feature of this rack ensures easy installation and secure placement, eliminating the need for additional hardware. One of the key highlights of this product is its large capacity, allowing you to efficiently dry a multitude of dishes, glasses.
The Tulf Dish Drying Rack is a high-quality kitchen essential designed to streamline your dish drying process with efficiency and style. Constructed with durable stainless steel, this dish rack offers both functionality and a sleek appearance that complements any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 12.59 inches in diameter, 15.74 inches in width, and 3.54 inches in height, the Tulf Dish Drying Rack provides ample space for drying a variety of dishware. The high-sided design ensures that water remains contained within the rack, keeping your kitchen counter clean and dry. The white color with a wooden handle adds a touch of elegance to this practical kitchen tool. The detachable feature makes it easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting use. Whether you have a small kitchen or a large one, this countertop mount dish drainer is a space-saving solution for keeping your dishes organized and dry. Ideal for drying dishware, this dish rack is a must-have for any household.
The Tulf Dish Drying Rack offers a practical solution for air drying your dishes efficiently. Made of durable metal, this two-tier dish rack is designed to withstand the rigors of daily kitchen use. With product dimensions of 17.44 inches in diameter, 12.95 inches in width, and 10.24 inches in height, it provides ample space for drying various dishware items. The Tulf brand ensures quality and reliability, making this dish drainer a dependable addition to your kitchen. Its sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your countertop, while complementing different kitchen decor styles. The mounting type for this rack is countertop mount, offering stability and ease of access. One of the standout features of this dish drying rack is its rust-resistant properties, ensuring long-term durability even in a high-moisture environment. It is specifically designed for dishware, making it a practical and essential tool for any home kitchen. Overall, the Tulf Dish Drying Rack.
This dish drying rack by Aoni is an essential addition to any kitchen, offering a convenient and efficient way to dry dishes and utensils. With dimensions of 16.53 D into 12, W into 17.32 H, it provides ample space for drying multiple items simultaneously. The dark black color adds a sleek and modern touch to any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its versatility and usage. It can be mounted either on the sink or tabletop, making it suitable for various kitchen setups. The adjustable design allows for customization to suit individual needs, while the premium quality materials ensure durability and sturdiness in everyday use. The removable parts of this dish rack make cleaning and maintenance a breeze, adding to its convenience. Whether for daily use or for storage purposes, this rack is designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users. Overall, the Aoni Dish Drying Rack is a reliable and practical kitchen accessory that combines functionality with contemporary.
The Viver Dish Drying Rack is a versatile and robust kitchen accessory that I highly recommend to individuals looking for a reliable and efficient dish drainer. With dimensions of 14 D into 18.5 W into 5 H, this stainless steel dish rack offers ample space for drying your dishes effectively, crafted by the reputable brand Vivor. This dish drying rack boasts a sleek silver color that complements any kitchen decor. Its expandable design, ranging from 11.6 inches to 18.5 inches, makes it suitable for various sink sizes, offering convenience and flexibility. One of the standout features of this product is its rust-resistant properties, ensuring long-lasting durability and maintaining a polished appearance over time. Additionally, the rack can be used as a utensil holder and for general kitchen storage, adding to its versatility. Whether mounted over the sink or placed on a tabletop, the Viver dish drying rack provides a stable and secure platform for your dishes with a weight limit of 4.9 pounds.